So have you ever wondered what my day is like when I am racing around doing all these things? I thought I would take you with me today so you can see. Hey! So here we go. Now I just spilled water all down my side and I don't know where that came from. You can see water. Okay. Okay. All right, let me get you situated. You guys may have already tuned out by now. I am dispelling the magic of filmmaking right now. It stopped recording, I don't know why. And my whole side is wet, so I'm assuming my water bottle exploded. Hold on. No, that was my tea. I am now a good 45 minutes late for an event that I'm supposed to be at in Hollywood. Charles Malky from Ivy Organic is doing a workshop today with another gardener, and they have his particular garden club there. And anyway, here we go. I have one quick stop to make before I can head to Hollywood. If you've never shot a vlog or done anything like this, you probably think, what the heck? But this is what we do to tell our stories. Okay, so if you remember my pho, or some people call it pho video, the Vietnamese dish that you could eat morning, noon, and night. It's so delicious. I did a video about 2 years ago. It's a very popular video because a lot of Vietnamese wound up seeing it and correcting me on the way I was eating it. On the menu it says to pronounce pho like pho. F-U-H is the proper way. And when the girls at my nail salon who first started talking about it and getting me excited about eating it, they have a little bit of a diphthong. If you studied English grammar, you know what a diphthong is. A diphthong is one syllable that sounds like two. So, like that, or pho, like that. And in the South, we make diphthongs out of almost everything. They pronounce it like pho, 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 pho. I find the Vietnamese language incredible. I love to listen to it, and I find it incredible how just these slight, very slight modulations of sound can be a completely different word or meaning. There are many of these wonderful aluminum canteens, and if you want to get really serious about your health, don't drink out of the plastic top, just keep the top off. But I just have a tendency to spill everything, so I unfortunately have to use that. They called me last night and said Mary, who is their matriarch and fantastic cook, has made Vietnamese rolls and invited me over to get some. And I don't have time to stop and eat them, but I'm going to pick them up for the road. Wait, hold it, hold it. Wait. You do see me, right? Do you? Okay. Wasn't sure she saw me. Oh, and of course the parking lot is jammed on Saturday morning because that's when everybody wants to get their nails done. So let's see if I can walk in with the cameras blazing. Hi, good morning. I wonder if anybody... It's Mary! It's Vanessa! Your hair grew. Oh my gosh, it was red and short before. You know what? I can't stay. I'm going to come back in the afternoon.
Nói giờ bà đưa cho bà 4 hay 6.
I'm going to come back in the afternoon. Are you getting any more? Let's get some light on our faces. There we go. These are the most wonderful girls. And look at the food.
You can eat the peanut.
Look how they're making all the wonderful food.
Yeah.
They have to work so hard to do this.
Try some here. Cho bà cái muỗng vô để bà mua cua đâu.
That looks wonderful.
Đưa cho bà rồi cái này cho bà ăn liền nè. Ăn liền. Thôi đừng có múc nó tương nữa.
What is this, Mary?
Sauce. Gì? Hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce.
Oh, hoisin sauce.
Yeah. And we make with coconut.
They get excited when I come here.
Đưa một cái thôi.
Oh, those look pretty. What are they?
Để cho bà ăn đi khổ.
Okay.
Đúng rồi.
Okay, so I dip it?
Yeah.
It looks like there's egg in here or something.
Nước tương hơi mặn.
Oh, Mary.
Mary, do it.
Mary, did you do all of it?
No, on a butt.
All you did?
Yeah.
Just put it on Mary and tell her what she put in it. Tell me what you put in it. I love it.
I'm happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you. It's been a long time. All right. I'll see you later.
Yeah.
I'm going to come back and get my toenails done later, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. I love you. I love you.
Yeah.
That is what you call a pit stop. Uh-oh. My father was an avid NASCAR fan. That's putting it mildly. And so I know all about what a pit stop is. You roll into the pit and 45 people come out and service your vehicle, give you a drink of water, and off you go. Put on new tires, and that's the way I feel, because I hadn't eaten anything. Oh boy. Now we got to go all the way to Hollywood. Don't worry, you're not going to have to watch me drive to Hollywood for an hour. Looks like it's going to be about 42 minutes to get to Charles's event. And his event starts in 1 minute. looks like I arrived. I see a few cars here, so I am 35 minutes late at least, and I am gonna have to get down there and get my camera set up, and it's showtime.
Make sure that these leaves stay intact as the plant continues to perform and grow. So this here addresses the whitewash benefits. And that leads to my final talk, is pest control. The point is, by putting a blanket, and that's basically what your wood chips are, by putting a blanket around your plants, what it's doing in the summer is it's keeping your soil cooler. Mycorrhiza, the mushroom. So mushroom is a big one. So by putting a nice blanket, 2 to 3 inches of mulch, you're actually going to be further improving the success of mycorrhiza and mushroom within the underground network. Adding fish into your garden will bring over 60 elements into your garden soil. So 60 elements. So the plants will take their 6 macronutrients, a lot of the micronutrients, but the other elements are there for the other populations that are within your soil as well.
Okay, I am going up a very steep hill. And it's kind of blind at the top. So, that was interesting. I do not know my way around up here at all. But I'm assuming if I go downhill, I'll get where I need to go. Okay, well that was really interesting and the people were just lovely. Okay, we are heading home and we're going to stop back by Rosie's Nails, and I'm going to get my toes done because they gave me all of that wonderful food and it's only fair.
Lên xu hướng vậy mà không mình vô cái chuyện này nữa bán gì mà quá mắc 5 đồng.
If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time.